Hello everyone, I'm Ankit here and welcome back to our YouTube channel EduUdr. This is the second video on basics of C programming language tutorial series. Okay, in this video we will create our first C program. Okay, so before we start we should know about what is a header file, what is semicolon, why we use return 0, is it necessary or not. Okay, then after we will create our first C program. So let's start with header file. It is a file which is used with extension .h. It contains C function declaration and macro definition to be shared between several codes. Okay, there are two types of header files. First, which comes along with your compiler, and other is user defined. Okay, so here we use stdio.h, which is standard input output. Okay, it is a header file that comes along with your compiler. It is not user defined. Okay, contains functions such as printf and scanf. So scanf is used to take input from user and printf is used to display the output. Okay, now semicolons and return 0. What is semicolon? Semicolon is called as terminator in C programming. It is used after every statement. Okay, it is used to separate multiple statements. So we will discuss this in practical. Okay, practically we will discuss, then you will understand easily. So return 0 is it is called a exit status of program. It is a exit status. Your program will end with this. It is not necessary to use return 0 with in every program. Okay, so we will discuss this practically. So now we are moving to our compiler, IDE. Okay, so we are using dev C++ in this tutorial. You can use any software, any IDE for your convenience. Okay, so now we are on our software named as dev C++. Okay, so create new program, control N, and start with your coding. Okay, so first of all we import our header file. Okay, so we will use our preprocessor commands. Okay, so preprocessor command is start with the hash sign. So hash include is command for preprocessor. Okay, now angular bracket is used. Okay, so use this angular bracket. Now write stdio dot h. This is our header file to use. Okay, now here we will write our main function. Okay, main function is here. So main function is start with return type like int main or void main. So int is a data type. Okay, so we will discuss this in further videos. Now today we are not using any data types, any return type. Okay, in this video we just simply created a program for hello world. Okay, so use main function. Okay, parenthesis is used. Parenthesis is used with every function. Okay, so main, after main create a write curly brackets. Okay, so here we will use here we are going to print a statement. Okay, hello world is a statement, so we will use printf function, which is in standard input output. Okay, so printf is used here. So writing any to write any statement or string, we need to write double quotes. Okay, so write here hello world. Okay, and semicolons are used at the end of statement. Okay, so your statement is end now. Okay, I'm using comments to justify that what we used. So this is our header file. This is our main function. function starting. Okay, and this is our body of program. This is our body of main function. Okay, body of main function, and this is our output function, which is known as printf. Okay, now save this program. So named is as hello world dot c. Okay, now run this program. To run, you need to click here. Okay, this is the button to run your program, compile and run. So click here. It will take some times. Okay, now as you can see, hello world is printed here. Okay, so this is all about our first C program. Okay, I hope guys you will understand. So comment if you are done with your first program. Now you are a programmer. Okay, so until next video, take care, bye bye, and keep learning. Okay.